I give up. I really give up. I have been trying for so long, but it is just impossible.
Wait a minute. What are you doing? Why do you look so angry?
Because I am angry. I have been learning English for 3 years. 3 years. I know the grammar rules, I know the vocabulary lists, but look at me. When I try to speak, I freeze. My English is very bad.
Stop. Right there. You just said the problem.
What problem? That I freeze?
No, you said your English is very bad. As long as you keep using the word very, you will always sound like a beginner. You will never sound confident. You will never sound like a leader.
But very is a normal word. Very good, very happy, very sad. Everyone uses it.
Average people use it. Do you want to be average, or do you want to speak English like a CEO? Do you want to speak English that impresses people instantly?
Of course I want to impress people, but is it really just about one word?
It starts with one word, but the mindset is the real secret. Today, I am going to change your life. In this video, I'm going to give you a complete roadmap. We will fix your vocabulary, we will destroy your grammar mistakes, and I will teach you the secret technique that actors use to master accents.
Are you serious? You are going to teach me all of that right now?
Yes, this is not just a video, this is a masterclass. Welcome to English with Mr. E. If you watch this until the very last second, you will never speak the same way again. Let us begin.
Okay, I'm ready. Where do we start?
We start with the vocabulary challenge. I need you to stop using the word very. It makes you sound lazy. I'm going to give you a basic sentence, and you have to change it to an advanced sentence.
Okay, test me. I'm ready.
First one, stop saying, I am very hungry. It sounds childish. What is a stronger word?
I'm super hungry?
No, that is still basic. The word you are looking for is starving, or even better, famished. Say it.
I'm famished. That sounds fancy.
It is fancy. It shows you have a strong vocabulary. Next one. Stop saying, I am very tired.
I know this one. I'm exhausted.
Exhausted is good, but let's make you sound like a native speaker. Use the phrase, I am beat.
I'm beat? Like someone hit me?
No, it means you have zero energy left. Hey guys, I cannot come to the movies tonight. I am totally beat.
I like that. I'm beat. It sounds very natural.
Exactly. Next one. This is very important.
This is very special.
No, use the word crucial or essential. Listening practice is crucial for fluency.
Crucial. I feel smarter just saying that word.
Let's try an emotion. I am very happy.
I'm joyful?
Too formal. Say, I am thrilled. Or if you are extremely happy, say, I'm over the moon.
I got the job. I'm over the moon.
Perfect. Do you see the difference? Very happy is boring. Over the moon is exciting. Now let's look at something negative. It is very cold outside.
It's freezing.
Bingo, freezing. And if it's very hot?
It's burning?
You can say burning, but a better word is boiling. It's boiling outside. Or you can say it's scorching.
Scorching. Wow, that's a powerful word.
One last one for this section. He is very funny.
He's hilarious.
Yes, hilarious. When you use words like hilarious, scorching, and thrilled, people take you seriously. They stop looking at you as a student and start looking at you as a fluent speaker.
Okay, Mr. E, vocabulary is great. I will study these words, but my biggest problem is not words, it's grammar. I make mistakes, and I don't even know I'm making them until someone laughs at me.
I know, it's painful. But the good news is, most students make the same 3 mistakes. If we fix these 3, your English will improve by 50% immediately.
Only 3? Okay, what is the first one?
The agreement trap. Tell me, how do you say you agree with my opinion?
I say, I am agree with you.
Wrong. That is the biggest mistake in the world.
Why? I am means it's me. Why is it wrong?
Because agree is a verb. It's an action word. You don't need am. You simply say, I agree. Do you say, I am go?
No, I say I go.
Do you say, I am eat?
No, I say I eat.
Exactly. So why do you say, I am agree? It should be, I agree. Or in the past, I agreed.
Oh my God, I've been saying I am agree my whole life. I feel so embarrassed.
Don't be embarrassed. Just fix it today. Never say, I am agree again. Now, mistake number 2, the marriage trap. Tell me about your cousin. Who is he married to?
He's married with a doctor.
Stop. You don't get married with someone. You get married to someone.
But with sounds so logical. I go to the cinema with my friend. I eat dinner with my family. Why not married with?
English is not always logical. It's about patterns. The pattern is married to. He's married to a doctor. She's married to an engineer.
Okay, married to. I will write that down. What is the third mistake?
The years trap. How long have you lived in this city?
I'm living here for 5 years.
Incorrect. Listen carefully. If you mention the time duration, like for 5 years or since 2010, you cannot use I am living. You must use the present perfect continuous tense.
Present perfect continuous? That sounds complicated.
It's simple. Just change I am to I have been. Say it.
I have been living here for 5 years.
Perfect. If you just say I am living here, it means right now. But if you add the time, you must say I have been living. This is what separates beginners from advanced speakers.
Wow, these are small changes, but they make a huge difference.
Absolutely. Now let's talk about the biggest issue, the translation trap.
Yes, this is my nightmare. When I try to speak, I think in my native language first, then I translate it to English in my head, and then I speak. It makes me so slow.
That is why you stutter. That is why you get stuck. You need to start thinking in English.
But how? My brain automatically thinks in my mother tongue. How can I stop it?
You have to train your brain. I want you to use the daily commentary technique.
Commentary? Like a sports commentator?
Exactly. Imagine you are the commentator of your own life. When you are alone at home, narrate what you are doing out loud in English.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Imagine you are making coffee. Don't just make the coffee silently. Say this out loud. Now I am taking the cup. I am pouring the hot water. The steam is rising. It smells delicious. Now I am looking for the spoon.
Do I really have to say it out loud?
Yes, your ears need to hear your own voice speaking English. This connects your brain directly to the English words. If you do this for 10 minutes a day, in 30 days, you will stop translating. You will just see a cup and think cup.
That sounds a bit crazy. Talking to myself in the kitchen?
Let me ask you something. Do you want to look normal and stay average, or do you want to look a little crazy and become fluent?
I want to be fluent. I do not care if the neighbors think I'm crazy.
That is the spirit. Now let's move to pronunciation. You can have perfect grammar and great vocabulary, but if you sound like a robot, people will get bored.
I know, I sound very flat. Hello, how are you? I am fine. It is boring.
We are going to fix that with the shadowing technique.
Shadowing? What is that?
It means copying a native speaker exactly. Not just the words, but the emotion, the speed, the pauses, and the melody. I will act as the native speaker. I want you to shadow me.
Okay, I'm ready.
Listen to this sentence. What are you doing later? A native speaker does not say every word separately. They mix it together. They say, what you doing later?
What you doing later?
Yes, again, what you doing later?
What you doing later?
See, you instantly sound American. Let's try another one. I'm going to go to the park. Native speakers say, I'm going to go to the park.
I'm gonna go to the park.
Perfect. One more. Let me see that. Native speakers say, let me see that.
Let me see that. Wow, it flows so much better.
This is called connected speech. If you master this, people will think you lived abroad. But be careful. Use gonna and lemme with friends. In a job interview, use going to and let me. Context is key.
Got it. Formal for work, casual for friends.
Now, I cannot let you go without the secret weapon, idioms. Native speakers use idioms all the time. If you do not know them, you will be confused.
Give me the best ones.
Number 1, piece of cake.
I know this one. It means something is very easy.
Correct. Use it in a sentence.
Speaking English is a piece of cake for Mr.E.
I love that example. Number 2, to call it a day. This means to stop working. Imagine you were tired at the office. You tell your boss, I'm tired. Let's call it a day.
Let's call it a day. Okay.
Number 3, under the weather. This means you are sick.
So instead of saying, I'm sick, I say, I'm under the weather?
Yes, it sounds much more professional and polite. I cannot come to work today. I'm feeling a bit under the weather.
That is amazing. I feel like I have learned more in this video than in my whole year of school.
That is because school teaches you rules. I teach you communication. But listen to me, Speaker 2. Knowledge is useless without action. You can watch 100 videos, but if you do not open your mouth, you will never improve.
I know, but I'm shy.
Shyness is just fear of judgment. You are afraid people will laugh. Let me tell you a secret. People who laugh at you are losers. Winners will never laugh at you because they know how hard it is to learn a second language.
You're right. I shouldn't care about what people think.
Exactly. So, I have a challenge for you and for everyone watching this video right now.
What is the challenge?
It's the 7-day English vlog challenge.
Vlog? But I don't have a camera.
You have a phone? Every day for the next 7 days, record yourself speaking for 2 minutes. Talk about your day. Use the new words like starving or thrilled. Use the idioms.
Do I have to post it on social media?
No, keep it for yourself. On day 1, it will be awkward. You will make mistakes. But by day 7, you will listen to the first recording and you will see a massive improvement.
Okay, I promise I will do it. 2 minutes a day.
Viewers, if you accept this challenge, type I accept in the comments right now, and I want to see who is serious about their future.
Mr. E, this has been amazing. But what if I need to prepare for a job interview?
That is a great question. Next week, I'm releasing a special video. The title is How to Introduce Yourself in an Interview and Get Hired Instantly.
Wow, I really need that.
Then make sure you subscribe to the channel and hit the bell icon so you don't miss it.
I will definitely do that. Thank you so much for today, Mr. E. My confidence is back.
You are welcome. Remember, fluency is a journey, not a destination. Keep practicing, keep making mistakes, and keep learning.
See you in the next video, guys.
Keep learning, keep growing. Bye.